In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow invitees to add guests in Calendly. By the end, anyone booking time with you will be able to add up to 10 additional attendees who automatically receive Calendly notifications and calendar invites. Start by heading to the Calendly website and logging into your account. Once you're in, go to your scheduling page. This is where all your event types live, like 15-minute intro calls or 60-minute demos. Find the specific event type where you want to enable guest invitations. Hover over it, click the three dots, and choose Edit. This opens the event's configuration panel so you can control what invitees see when they book. Next, scroll down to the area labeled Invitee Questions. In some layouts, you might see a More Options button first. If so, click that, then expand the Invitee Form section. This is the form that appears on your booking page, and it's where you can collect names, emails, and any custom questions. Take a moment to make sure the name and email fields are clear and required, because that helps ensure both the main invitee and any guests receive the right notifications. Now look for the option that allows invitees to add additional guests. It may be worded as Allow invitees to add additional guests. Toggle this on. If Calendly prompts you to adjust the name field, go ahead and make that quick edit so the form can properly capture each guest's details. With this enabled, your booking page will show an Add Guests field where the inviter can list up to 10 people by name and email. Those guests will receive the same event confirmation and updates directly from Calendly, which is great for team calls, panel interviews, or group onboarding sessions. When you're done, hit Save. Saving applies the change to this specific event type. From this point on, anyone who books that event will see the additional guests option as part of the form. If you don't immediately see the toggle or the invitee form section, double check that you're editing the event type itself rather than viewing the public booking link. And make sure you've expanded all available form settings. That's it, simple and effective. You've enabled guest invitations for your Calendly event, making group scheduling smoother and ensuring everyone gets the right updates. If you manage multiple event types, repeat these steps for each one where you want to allow guests. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.